Good afternoon, namaste. Welcome back once again. So, I welcome all the students of grade 6 in this distance teaching learning class organized by Pepson. Without any delay, I will start today's class. Today's our topic is division of algebraic term. Okay. Now, you know how to divide, this in arithmetic. Suppose if you divide 20 by 4, then you can write in this way 20 upon 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, that means 5 times. In a similar manner, in algebraic term also, how you can divide? Please check here. Divide, question 1, divide 15x square by 3x. Let's check here. That means, or you can write 15x square divided by 3x. You can write is equals to 15x square upon 3x. There is division symbol, so it will go down. Okay. Now this you can solve. Now please do factorize of 15. 5 3s are 15. So 5 into 3 you can write as 15 into x square means x into x, x into x. Okay. Now 3 into x. So 3 it will be cancel out, x and x also it will be cancel. This is equals to 5x. All right, and the answer will be 5x. Only one x remaining and 5 remaining, so 5x is the solution. So alternately you can do in this way also. Let's check here. 15x square divided by 3x. Check here, same question. This you can write 15x square divided by 3x. Now check power of the variable, power of the base. Here also x, here also x. So here it will be 1. So 15 you can write already. We factorize this 5 into 3. That is x square. There is 2 base same. So there is plus 1. So it will go up at numerator. Then power it will be negative. If negative, then it will be positive. Then upon 3 cancel. Then 5 x 2 minus 1 1, that means 5x. You will get same solution. Is that clear? Understood? Now let me write another question. 12a cube b to the power 4 divided by 4ab square. Let's check here. Or you can write is equals to a solution. You can write solution 12a cube b to the power 4 divided by 4ab square. Now you can do factorize of 12. You can find the factor of 12. So you can find factor of 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. You can write 2 into 3. That means a cube into b power 4. So you can write 2 into 2 into a into b square. You can leave same. Let's try to solve this in easiest way. 2 it will cancel out, 2 cancel out. So 3. Now here base same, a here also a, here also a, b a 3 minus 1, because the power of a is here 1 at denominator. If it goes to numerator, then it will be minus. Then b at numerator there is 4 minus 2 equals to, you can write 3a square b square. 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 2 2. This is the answer in this case. Otherwise you can solve this same question by another way also. Now please check here alternative method. Now 12 you can do you can find the factor 3. That means a cube means a into a into a, 3a. B to the power 4 into b, 4b, 1 2 3, a cube, 1 2 3 4, 2 into 2, 4 into a into b into b. See, 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel. Now this a cancel, a, and this b cancel, this b cancel. Then please write remaining term. 3 a into a square, b into b square. Please check the answer, you will get same answer in both cases. Alright. Now let me write another example, same type. A cube b cube divide by a square b. Number b, 12 p to the power 6 divided by 3 p cube. Number c, 10 x square y square divided by 2xy. Number d, 50 x to the power 6 y to the power 6 divided by 25 x square y square. And number e, 30 p cube q divided by 15 p cube. Check here, there are 5 questions. I am leaving these question for you as home assignment. Is that clear? All questions are similar like previous question. Already I have solved 2 questions for example, so you can solve this question similar manner. Alright. Okay. Now let me write another question. Now division of polynomial by monomial. Now in algebraic term, in algebraic expression, you can say binomial is also a polynomial, trinomial is also a polynomial. Alright. So divide 10x square minus 15x by 5x. That means solution you can write here. There are 2 terms, please check here. This is binomial, this is monomial. 10x square minus 15x divided by 5x. Alright, is equals to, you can write 10x square minus 15x divided by 5x. Is that clear? Because there is division symbol and there is one bracket, and this you have to divide this term by 5x. So now you can separate 10x square upon 5x minus 15x upon 5x. Suppose if you take LCM, you will get same thing, same term you will get. Alright, simply we are separating. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, x it will be cancel out. So 2x square, here is power 1, so 2 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, otherwise you can follow same way like a 10x square, 2 into 5, 10 into x square means x into x upon 5x minus 5 into 3, 15 into x upon 5x. Otherwise you can do in this way also. Which method you feel comfortable, you can follow same. There is no any mandatory, you have to follow same particular method. Is that clear? Now 5 cancel, here x cancel, 5 cancel, x cancel. Then you will get here 2x minus 3. Here also 2x minus 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So 2x minus 3. Alright. Understood this? Okay. Now please see here, I will solve this same question by another method also. please check here, 10x square. Now see here, from here you have to divide 5x, there is 10x square minus 15x. In this way also you can do division. All right. Now first please check the coefficient. Here 5, coefficient of x is 5, here coefficient of x square is 10. So 5 to the 10, so 10. Now there are 2x, x square means x into x, so there is only one x. So to make x square you have to write here x. So 5 to the 10, x into x, x square. In division please change the sign. Is that clear? Now one is positive, one is negative, you have to consider this down one sign, there is a minus, so this whole term it will be cancelled. 10x square minus 10x square, it will be 0. So now minus 15x, we are not changing this sign, so it will remain same, minus. Then 5, again please check, there is 3, there is minus also, so minus 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, plus into minus, minus, there is already there is x, so x, then remainder 0. So quotient you will get 2x minus 3. All right, you can follow this method also. I taught same question by 3 process. Okay, is that clear? This understood? Okay, good. Question A, 14 a cube b square minus 8 a square b cube by 2ab. Number B, 24 x cube plus 18x square, divide by, also you can write divide 6 x square. Number C, 15 p to the power 4 minus 25 p q q to the power 3 divided by 5 p square q square. And number D, 20 a to the power 4 b to the power 6 minus 10 a to the power 5 b to the power 4 divided by 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. So all questions are similar. I am leaving these 4 questions as home assignment. Please try all these questions by following same process. Now out of out of 4 questions, I will solve one question once again. Now let me do one question. Okay, I'll do question number D. Question number D, solution 20 a to the power 4 b to the power 4 b to the power 6 minus 10 a to the power 5 b to the power 4 divided by 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Solution 20 a to the power 4 b to the power 6 minus 10 a to the power 5 b to the power 4 divided by 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Now like previous question, you can separate this. Now 20 a to the power 4 b to the power 6 upon 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4 minus 10 a to the power 5 b to the power 4 upon 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Like you can separate this. Like suppose x plus y equals to 2. this example. I am leaving this. I am writing one example. If there is one number at denominator, then you can write this x upon 2 plus y upon 2. Again, if you take LCM, 2 is the LCM. So please divide these 2 by these 2. So it will be 1 x into 1 plus y into 1. Again you will get x into 1 x, y into 1 y upon 2. Same thing you will get. So you can separate in this way. Like if there is x upon y plus 3, let's check here, x upon y plus x upon 3 you cannot do. Is that clear? Please don't do this type of mistake. It will be mistake. You cannot do in this way. Okay. Now please find the factor of 20. 2 tens are to 5. Then 2 into 2 into 5 into a to the power 4 b to the power 6 upon 5 into a to the power 4 b to the power 4 minus 2 into 5 10, 2 into 5 10 into a to the power 5 b to the power 4 upon 5 a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Now you can cancel this coefficient, this 5 you can cancel, this 5 and this 5 also you can cancel. So 2 to the 4, that is 4. If you take this power to numerator, here also base a, here also base a, so you can take this power to numerator, then it will be minus 4 minus 4, there is b 6 minus, there is positive base same b. Okay, now b 6 minus 4 minus this minus, it will remain same, 2 a to the power 5 minus 4, then b already there is 4 minus 4, it will go to up and sign it will be minus because there is positive sign. Alright, is equals to, you can write 4 a to the power 4 minus 4, it will be 0, b to the power 6 minus 4 2 minus 2 a to the power 5 minus 4 1 going to write, then b to the power 0. So let me explain one thing please. If anything raised to power 0, then it will be 1. A raised to power 0 also equals to 1. Then b raised to power 0 also equals to 1. 2 raised to power 0 also equals to 1. If there is 0 at power, then it will be 1. Alright, like core raised to power 0 also it will be 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So here a raised to power 0 also 1, b raised to power 0 also it will be 1. So 4 into 1 b square minus 2 a into 1. Then dot also you can write. Then 4b square minus 2a is the solution for this question. Alright, this is the solution. Okay, now you can follow another method also. You can divide this in this way also, 5 a to the power 4 b to the power 4, in that way also you can do divide. Otherwise you can follow this method. This method is easiest one. Alright. Okay. Now another topic is division of polynomial by binomial. Division of a polynomial by binomial. Now how to divide polynomial by binomial? Now let me do one example. Question number 1. Let's check here. Divide x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2. Solution, please check here. X square plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. So, suppose if we follow previous method like x square plus 5x plus 6 upon x plus 2, okay, it will be like this. So, we cannot find the solution directly, we cannot find the solution. So, we have to do divide. How to do divide? Please see here, you can check here. You can divide x plus 2 x square plus 5x plus 6. Please check here. And this is called dividend. Here x plus 2 is divisor. Like divisor, dividend, whatever value you will get, it will be quotient, and at last it will be remainder. Is that clear? In this case, we have divisor is x plus 2, dividend is x square plus 5x plus 6, okay. Quotient we have to find in this case, and remainder also we have to find in this case, okay. Now you can check here. Please check here. Coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 1. Please forget about these two. Alright, forget about these two. So, please consider only this x and this x square only. Forget about 5x plus 6 also. So, then x into x, x into x, x square, okay, plus into plus, plus 2 into x, 2x. Please change the sign. Alright, please change the sign. Then x square it will be cancel out. Then 5 minus 2, 3, then base x, then plus 6. Now again you can check here also plus, here also plus. So please write here plus. Now there is x, there is coefficient 3. So 1 3 is 3. 3 into x, 3x. Plus into plus, plus. 2 3 is 6. Then this also cancel, this also cancel. Then therefore your quotient is equals to x plus 3 and remainder equals to 0. Therefore quotient is x plus 3 and remainder is 0. This is divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Okay, thank you very much dear student. We will discuss same type of question in next class. Okay, thank you.